welcome to Evie's episode of Goodies and Stuff. Today I am going to make peanut butter and jelly. So this is how we start. Get 2 pieces of bread, and then get some peanut butter. Get it onto the and then spread it around. If we need more, just get some more and then spread it around some more. And make sure you get it everywhere if you want to. And then we'll now we'll get the jelly and had a clean knife. Make sure you get a new knife before you do the jelly. And then we spread the jelly around like a peanut butter. Make sure you get it all over if you want. And now let's get some more. And then let's spread that around. And I love jelly, I bet you do too. And if I fall off, just pick it up with the knife and spread it around. And then when we're done spreading everything around, put them together and then eat it. And you can also cut if you want little squares or triangles or rectangles. I'm going to cut this into little squares for me to eat my peanut butter and jelly. So it might take a little time to cut everything. That's a lot of pieces. And then we can eat it.
Say let's feast.
Let's feast. Bye.
Welcome to the second half of Good Eatin' Chef. You see my sister has made her peanut butter and jelly. Now I'm going to make a bacon, lettuce, and cheese sandwich. So we need some bacon bits, and this lettuce is pre-washed, and get some lettuce. And since we're in quarantine, we usually get jelly, but now, since we're in quarantine, we use this kind, and we rip it from there and just unwrap it. And get a piece of bread, place that on, tear off some lettuce.
You forgot to add a piece of cheese.
I'll do that in a second. And we will get the bacon bits, add some of those. Got the pepper. Get some pepper and do that. Grind it on or shake it on, whatever you have. And you put some salt on. Now we're going to do our second layer. And unravel the second layer of cheese. Now, get another piece of lettuce. Put some bacon bits on. Some pepper again. And our salt. Now grab the other piece of bread. So if your children are picky about their crust, you can get some scissors or a knife. Did I ever say your children can try helping you when you cook? Instead of wasting the crust, tossing it, you can let it sit there, and you can use, and it will crust it up, and you can use it as croutons or something. So I have this shaper. And if you have anything at your home that you can use something like this. You see, I'm trying to figure how to get this tool. And that's feast. Oh. Thank you for watching episode 3. We should keep on having fun. Just it's the food. It's you that made the food delicious. And the food tastes delicious because you made it.